Welcome to the mountains of Malunggay Diot, Zamboanguita, home to one of nature's best kept secret. The Humauas Hot Spring, tucked away in the heart of the mountains. This hidden paradise is a must visit for anyone seeking adventure, relaxation, and deeper connection with nature. A total of 15 kilometers crossing Asigid Basak to Malunggay Diot Hot Spring in a total of 30 minutes travel. If you're lucky, you might spot a playful monkeys along the way, a special treat that reminds us how rich and alive this mountain is.
Can you tell us the story or history behind Rumawas Hot Spring, Ante?
Akong sayon na. Sa una, kaning haspe nga gamay pa ni gamay pa ni sa una, wala pa ni sa minto. Karon kay naa nay budget sa malungkayng diyot sa Buanguita, muning nahimo na siyang haspe nga sada na kaayo.
The Humauas offers more than just a deep, warm water. It's a chance to relax, recharge, and heal. Famous delicacies in Zamboanguita can also be here.
Any local legends or cultural beliefs connected to the hot spring?
Kinhanan katuhuan pero palikayan. Hanan sa dili mo nato.
Many visitors love to simply soak in the spring while listening to the gentle sounds of nature around them.
On average, how many visitors come here in a day or week?
Mm, ang daghan kaning Domingo gyud ang kadaghanan pero malaing adlaw depende sa kuan haning sa dili ulan ba. Pero maulan wala gyud. Oo. Maura kadto. Salamat.
During summer, Humauas is one of the best escape from the heat. Instead of crowded places, here you can find peace, fresh air, and experience that heals both body and soul.
Are there rules or guidelines that visitors should follow while they are here?
Mm. Kinahanglan og manaay visitors diri nga moabot og manaay ilang makaon nga naay makalanon nga naay mga plastic kinahanglan ibutang sa basurahan. O mao ba aking okay ra day. Thank you, Ante.
It's like nature's very own spa. No chemicals, no noise, just pure relaxation. So if you're looking for an adventure that combines stunning views, unique wildlife, and healing touch of nature, Humauas Hot Spring Malunggay Diot, Zamboanguita is the place for you.
But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain.